Well, right now, actor Johnny Depp is facing cross-examination in his $50 million defamation lawsuit against his ex-wife, Amber Heard. We've heard emotional testimony over the past 2 days from Depp outlining details of his volatile relationship with Heard. He accused her of both verbal and sometimes physical abuse. So here to discuss is criminal defense attorney Sara Azari. Sara, great to have you on. Listen, this is a really disturbing case, and I'm sure many viewers would agree with me that when you hear about some of the details described, even through his testimony, it just makes you really uncomfortable. I'm just curious to get your thoughts on how you think the jury is taking all of this in.
Well, Bianna, good to be with you. You know, domestic violence is uncomfortable, whether it's a man or a woman who suffered the abuse. But what we're seeing here is that, number one, we've seen a Johnny Depp that we didn't know before, someone who comes from a cycle of abuse, someone who comes from a chaotic household, a history of substance abuse, someone who is extremely vulnerable and therefore likable to this jury. And I think that's very important, not just the substance of his testimony, but the form and his disposition on the stand. The other issue is that this is so much bigger than whether he's going to prevail or not in this lawsuit. It's about him speaking his truth, something that we don't typically see with a high-profile celebrity who's been accused, who's been going after somebody for defamation. They don't do that. They don't do that for a lot of reasons, because their PR steps in, and also because there's a high standard that they have to show actual malice. So this is really new, so to speak. And but he has been relatable, he's been vulnerable, and he's been, in my opinion, very credible. So as uncomfortable as the topic is, I think we're starting to see that men too can be victims. You see this all over Twitter, the hashtag men too, that it sounds like she was instigating and, starting some of these altercations.
Yeah, but this wasn't his first lawsuit, allegations of libel. The last one was in 2020 against a publication, which accused him of domestic violence as well. He lost that case. You say this one is different.
Yeah. This one's different because we're in U.S. territory now. U.S. law, 12 jurors, not just one judge, different set of process, different set of laws. That he has to show actual malice here. He didn't have to show it there. There's no First Amendment there. There's First Amendment here. But these are all distinctions, Bianna, without really a difference. What really matters is that he believes so firmly in his truth, which may or may not be the truth to the jury, that he has come forward not once, but twice. So that, to me, speaks volumes to how strongly he believes that he's innocent of these allegations.
Yeah, he's claimed that it's cost him his career, and I know we'll be hearing from witnesses in the days and weeks ahead, however long this trial continues. Sara Azari, thank you.
Thanks, Bianna.